Hi, this is Leo from Lion Paper Products. In 20 plus years, making notebooks and calendars for retailers from the US and UK to Germany and Australia, I've learned one simple truth. Binding isn't decoration, it's how your calendar works. It decides flip, comfort, durability, returns, even whether your brand stays visible all year. Today, I'll give you a field guide to calendar binding so your 2025 line ships smooth and sells through. Segment 1. Start with the use case. Before we talk hardware, answer 3 questions. 1. Where will it live? Wall, desk, or bag? 2. How often will it flip? Daily, weekly, monthly? 3. What do you want the user to feel? Premium gift, budget promo, or rugged utility? Lock those in. And 80% of binding choices become obvious. Segment 2. Quick matches that rarely fail. Wall calendars. Go WireO when you want a premium look and easy, smooth page turn. If you're cost sensitive, saddle stitch works. Don't forget the hang hole. Desk tent, easel, WireO on a rigid board, stand for 360 degrees flip. If you want refillable pages, use binder rings. Desk pads, blotter, glued top on a sturdy base. Monthly tear-offs, 365-day daily, WireO for strength, or perfect binding on a stand for book-style aesthetic. 3-month view, WireO for stability and fast browsing. Planners, spiral when you want lightweight and budget control. WireO when you need premium flat lay. Perfect if you want a square spine to print your brand. Segment 3. What each binding really gives you. Saddle, stitch, stapled, fastest, and cheapest. Lies fairly flat. But page count, limits, and durability are the trade-offs. Spiral, plastic, metal coil, true 360 degrees, rotation, and great value. The look is more casual, and you'll add a separate handhole for wall formats. WireO, double loop metal, premium feel, durable, smooth flip, broad page range, but higher unit cost. Perfect binding, glue spine, clean book style edges, and printable spine. Doesn't lay flat, and no 360 degrees. Ring binding, openable rings, refillable, customizable, but bulkier hardware and higher material cost. Desk pad glue, huge branding real estate and easy tear-off. Specify heavier sheets to prevent show-through. Segment 4. The buyer's checklist. Copy, paste. When you brief suppliers, include this. It saves a week of back and forth. Use case and handling. Wall, desk, daily, expected flips per day. User experience. Need 360 degrees rotation. Hang hole spec. Stand angle and stiffness. Aesthetics and brand. Premium. WireO. Perfect. Versus promo. Saddle. Spiral. Budget and volume. Match binding to MOQ and unit target. Specs. Page count. Cover stock. Board thickness. Hole pitch. Lamination. Coding. Durability tests. Coil gauge. Wire size. Tear test for perforations. Base rigidity after 500 plus flips for dailies. Compliance. FSC paper. REACH. Prop 6.5. CPSIA where applicable. Pilot. Pre-production sample to verify flip, hang strength, and stand stability. Segment 5 Pro Tips from the factory floor. For retail gifting, WireO Plus matte laminated cover looks premium and flips cleanly. For corporate mass promo, saddle stitch, or spiral. Keeps costs tight with fast lead times. Desk pads. Specify anti-slip backing and higher basis weight to cut shows through. Daily calendars. Confirm coil, fatigue, and stand strength after a 500 plus flip simulation. Add value with features. Tabs, perforations, pockets, elastic loops, movable date markers, small costs, big perceived quality. Segment 6. How we de-risk your 2025 calendar line. At Lion Paper, we run CN, KH, KR capacity with Heidelberg print, auto punch, spiral, and WireO lines, lamination, die cut, and recorded QC. Certifications: FSC, ISO 9001, SMETA, BSCI, Disney Pharma, GSV, SQP. We support wall, desk, daily, 3-month, and planners from die line to handhold testing on time. If you send me your design and volume, I'll propose 2 to 3 binding routes with cost, lead time, and a 5-7 day sample plan. Binding chosen early saves art rework, prevents missed ship dates, and protects margins. Pick for use, validate with a quick pilot, and let the calendar do its job. Stay in view all year. I'm Leo. If you're speccing 2025 calendars, let's make binding your competitive edge.